Hey everyone, I want to show you how amazing Yorkies are. This is my first Yorkie and I am totally sold out and in love with him. His personality is amazing, but he also is smart. I mean amazingly smart. He was born January 22nd, so he's 6 months old, and he already has talents. Check this out. Come here, Brodie. Ready? Ready? Nope. Stand. Stand. Good baby. You guys watching? Okay, hold on. Come here. Walk, 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 walk. Good baby. We got a few more for you guys. Okay. Nope. Lay, lay. Good baby. Now, he is 6 months old. All right, jump. Jump. Ha ha, good baby. That is so awesome, honey bunny. It's so awesome. Yes, yes, yes. Good job. Come on. Let's say bye to the people. Let's say bye. All right, y'all. You've seen how amazing he is. 6 months old. That's awesome. Say bye. See you guys later. Yorkies, they're awesome.